Hello everyone. Today we are going to see one of the most frequently asked interview question. What is the difference between var, let and const? Although it is one of the easiest question and it is most fundamental and the basic question in the JavaScript, many of us fail to answer in a proper way. So let's just get started with var, let, and const. In JavaScript, we use the var, let, and the const for declaring of a variable. So first we will see var. With the help of var, we can redeclare and reassign a value to a variable. It follows a function scope. Variables that are declared with a var keyword get hoisted. So let's get started with an example. For example, let's say var x1 is equals to 100. So now if I console.log of x1 and let's run the code. So I'll give node test.js. You see, we get 100. So now I will redeclare the same variable one more time, where x1 is equals to, but this time I will give a different value to a variable. Let's say hello JavaScript. So now if I console log a var, so now if I console log a variable x1, what is the answer that we will get? We'll get an hello JavaScript. So with the help of a var, we are able to redeclare a same variable name multiple times. Where the first time we declare it as a where the first time we gave the value as 100 and second time we give a value as hello JavaScript. So when I console log this, the value that a variable x1 is finally holding is hello JavaScript. So this is all about the var. So now let's try to create a different variable. Now let's try to create a new variable. Let's say var x2 is equals to well welcome to JavaScript. And if I console.log of x2, let's see what we will get. Let's run the code and see. We get a variable x1 as a hello JavaScript and x2 as a welcome to JavaScript. So this is all about a var keyword, let. With the help of a let keyword in the JavaScript, we will be able to reassign a value to a same variable. We will not be able to create a same variable multiple times, and let follows a block scope. It does not get hoisted. So let's just get started with an example what it means. So let's create a variable a1 is equals to welcome all. So, and so before I do a console log, let's just see let A1. So now you see the moment I gave the A1, it threw me an error saying that you cannot redeclare the block scope variable of A1 because in the JavaScript we won't be able to redeclare the same variable multiple times with the help of a let keyword. So let is also introduced in the ES6 is also introduced in the ES6 feature. So we won't be able to declare the same variable multiple times. Now let me just give the A1 equals to something else. Let's say 1000. So now you see with the help of let we are able to reassign a value to a variable, but we are not able to redeclare the same variable multiple times. So let follow so with the help of the let, we can only reassign a value to a same variable. We cannot redeclare the same variable multiple times. So now if I console log, what do you think we will be getting an output? Let me just save this one uh, and let's run the code. Node test.js. So you see, we get 1,000. The whichever the value it is holding, the latest one is the value is what it will be returning to us. There is one more point which I want to cover. It does not get hoisted. What does it mean? Hoisting in the JavaScript, it is a separate topic where a variable declaration and the function where the variables and the function declaration it get hoisted before it even runs the program. What does it mean? For example, let me console log this over here before I even redeclare the variable, and let's see what is the output we are going to get, and let's run the code. Node.test.js. You see, we get an error saying cannot access A1 before initialization. So variable those are declared with a let, it does not get hoisted. So this is one of most important and another interview question which been asked frequently. So now if I remove this and if I give this over here, and now let's run the code one more time, node.js. You see, we are able to get the answer, 1,000. Let's, so we have a const. With the help of the const in the JavaScript, we cannot reassign or redeclare a same variable multiple times. It follows a block scope. It does not get hoisted as the let. Like, for example, let's dive into an example. Let's declare a variable const x1 is equals to, let's say, welcome JavaScript. So, and let me console.log. Obviously, by the time now everyone knows what it's going to give me an answer. Let's clear the console and run the program one more time. So we got welcome to JavaScript. Wow, we all are really brilliant. By the time we have reached this, we are able to understand what is let, const, and what and where. Let's try to redeclare the same variable one more time. Const x1. So the moment I gave the x1, we got an error. What it says? Const declaration must be initialized, cannot redeclare block scope variable of x1. You see, cannot redeclare the block scope variable x1. I will tell you the first one what it says, but here when I redeclared the same variable multiple times, it showed me an error. So with the help of the const, we won't be able to redeclare the same variable multiple times. So let's see what is the error that we received on the first line. That is nothing but const x1. So I did not assign a value to the variable still. So what is the error we get? Const declaration must be initialized. You notice here one more point. With the help of the var and the let, you will be able to declare the variable without even initializing it. But with the help of the const, it is mandatory for you to assign a value to a variable. So if you are not going to assign a value to a variable, it is going to throw an error. So let's see if I just created a variable and console log the variable. And what is the error we are going to get here? You will be sorry, I need to save the program. My bad. You see, missing the initializer in the const declaration. So with the help of the const, it is mandatory for you to initialize a variable when you are declaring it. Now let's give a value to a variable. Const is working, and try to access this variable before even we created it. What is the error that we will get? Let's run the code. Node test.js. Yeah, cannot access x1 before initialization. What is that? This is the hoisting. So in the JavaScript, Variable those are declared with the var keyword get hoisted, and the variable those are declared with the let and the const does not get hoisted. This is all for today's video. Thank you. If you like it, don't forget to follow